Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you our asynchronous method to communicate progress and project updates with our clients. So with all our clients, we create a Notion page that they can access in order to show them all our advancements. So depending on the project, it can be like this one, in which we have, this is an AI integration on back office for moderation of comments and photos. And here, as you can see, we have a kickoff meeting, and I attached the slides of the kickoff. And then we have each week an update in which we share a Loom video that the client can comment directly on the video or can leave a comment directly here in Notion, as you can see, and then we can have a discussion here to solve those considerations. And this for every week, right? So depending on what has been developed and done and solved during that week. But for other clients, we might have as well product backlog, of course, because maybe it's more custom development. So we have here our Kanban with the sprints. Normally we work in monthly sprints. And here we have all the tasks that need to be done. And this, of course, can be viewed and commented by the client. And you guys, how do you communicate with your clients? I'm curious to know. I find Loom videos and in general synchronous communication very effective because it avoids long meetings and finding slots for all the stakeholders involved. Let me know what you think about this method, and I'm curious to know how you do it. Thank you. Bye.